Hey, Heather from Hooked on Pickin here. I've got 2 days of sales on Poshmark. Let's see what I sold. You guys are a true blessing in my life. Thank you so much for helping me put this content out there to everyone. If you'd like to join these great people, please consider supporting me through my Patreon page. Check the link below. All right, so I'm going to give you the number that I earned, not the legitimate number that I sold it for. So for instance, this particular item is an open-backed rib bralette that sold for $8, but my earnings were only $5. That's after the Poshmark fees, after the shipping fees, all of that. So $5.05 is what I earned. $1 is what I paid for it. So I'm going to write on the board $4.05 because that's my actual money that I made for each item. So I'm going to do that with each and every item for these last 2 days worth of sales, which I'm pleasantly surprised has picked up. Finally, the end of the summer is hitting and we're starting to sell more things. So then the next thing that I have is a bundle. It's we've got a women's push-up racerback lace bralette. Sold for $9. Spanx tummy shaping leggings sold for $15. My earnings on this bundle was $12.60. I have $1 invested in each, so I'm at $10.60 for profit on that. And then I've got this really fun bag that I think is super cute. $5.25 is what I earned on it. It sold for $10. $5.25 is what I earned. $2 out of a Bulq.com liquidation box is what I paid. So I'm at $3.25 for my sales there. Then I have an Ava and Viv blue plus size shirt. This came out of one of my high-end liquidation box. I think from Honcho Wholesale is where I got this Ava and Viv one. And so $1 is what I have invested. $9.25 is what I earned. So I'm at $8.25 for my profits. Then I have another bundle that includes these high-rise kick boot black pants, which I think also came out of my Honcho Wholesale box, so that's $2. And then a new with tags microbrands dream suit bathing suit that I got down at the Goodwill outlet, so I'm at $2.50 totally invested. $38.20 is what I earned. So let me see, 38 minus 2, 36, then minus 50 cents. So we're at 36, 35, 70.
Yeah.
35.70. Listen, if I did the math wrong on the fly, you correct me in the comment section below. Blow up that comment section. Make me feel like I can't do math. All right. So anyway, then we've got a new with tags clean water V-neck plunging one-piece swimsuit. $7.05 is what I earned. $1 is what I paid for it. So a $6.05. See, I can do 1 minus anything, but $2.50, poof, my brain explodes. Alrighty, then I have a pair of really cute universal thread suede winter boots. It's August 1st, and I sold some winter boots. These have been on my store forever, and so I discounted them really, really low. I actually paid $2 for them, only earned $1.24, but at least I recouped some of the money. So I'm actually at negative 75 cents when you take off what I paid for it, but at least I recouped $1.25. Then I have a women's push-up racerback lace bralette, extra small. $1.25 is what I earned. $1 is what I paid, so I'm at 25 cents of profit there. Then I have another bundle, a bundle of a True White Exhilaration 36A bra and a pair of high-rise skinny jeans. $13.60 is what I earned. I've got $2 invested in the jeans, $1 invested in the bra, so that's $3 minus the $13.60, so I'm at $10.60. Then I have a pair of shorts, Levi Signature Modern Bermuda shorts. If you don't know, Bermuda shorts are the ones that are a little bit longer in length. Size 16, $14.40 is what I have earned. $2 is what I paid for it, so $12.40 is my profit. Then I've got another bundle that includes a plus size pajama short. And then I've got women's microfiber cool and comfort briefs. I know I skipped that. I'll come back to it. It's cool and comfort briefs. So I've got $2 invested in both of those. So $1 a piece, $7.25. And then I've got $2 invested. So $5.25 are my profits there. So I skipped this one, which my cameraman lovingly pointed out to me. 2-pack of men's phone pouch wallet for an iPhone 7. $2 is what I earned. $1 is all I have invested in that because it came out of a liquidation box from Bulq.com like eons ago. I'm shocked I even sold it at all. So $1.05 is my profit. So just remember to keep price adjusting, and everybody who hearted your item or loved your item will get an automatic email anytime you price adjust anything. So that really helps in selling some stuff that's been on your store for quite a while, because if it's been on there for a while, you want to price adjust it, get it off your store so you're not having to share that many items. This is a nursing full coverage bra macchiato tan underwire. $5.25 is what I earned. $1 is what I paid. So I'm at $4.25 of profit on that one item. Then I've got a really nice shirt here, a Croft and Borrow 2XL quick drying moisture wicking shirt. $6.05 is what I paid. Right out of my closet is where that came. So $6.05 is what I get to keep. Then we're going to wander back over to this table because I ran out of room on my first table. Then I have a Merona black and white striped V-neck tankini. Part of the reason why I'm selling a lot of swimsuits right now is that Walmart is kind of, and Target and all the other stores are kind of running out of their summer wear. They don't have a good selection, and so Poshmark is a great place to find these types of things for sale. So I've got that one. I paid $1 for it, earned $1.25, so I'm at 25 cents, and that's only the top. It's not a full swimsuit, it's just the tankini top. And so that's why it was a little bit lower in price. This one I got from a local liquidator for $2. $9.25 is what I earned. It's a one-piece women's swimsuit, blue and yellow, and it's got the athletic cut. It looks very similar to a Speedo. So $9.25 minus the $2, $7.25. Then I have some underwear. 6 pairs of seamless briefs. $4.25 is what I earned. $1 is what I paid, so I'm at $3.25. Like I said, sales are starting to pick up now that summer's starting to end, and I've been really pleased with it. Then I have one of these. You've probably seen these in other videos I have before, but I've got these really, really cute Chelsea black rubber rain boots. They're super comfortable. They got the stretchy side. I've got a bunch more of them, so check out my Posh store. The link is in the description below if you can't find it. And so these sold for $11.80 of earnings. They actually sold for $17, but $11.80 was the earnings on it. And I paid, I'm trying to think, I paid $7 for those. So at 7 minus the $11.80, I'm at $4.80. And so those are my sales. It's August 1st that I've got at the end of the beginning of August. And so I'm going to add all of these up, tell you exactly how many orders it is, and then don't worry, your summer sales are going to pick up. All right, I've got everything added up, and it comes out to 18 separate orders for $122.55. Remember, that's a number after fees and after I pay myself back for what I paid for the product. So hopefully it's been helpful to see what exactly I sold on Poshmark in these last 2 days at the beginning of August. And remember, in the end, Jesus wins. This is Heather from hookedonpickin.com. If you'd like to purchase my reseller guide, which is fully laminated 3 cards with checklists for Goodwill, eBay, and Amazon, please click the link below and you can purchase it now. The Goodwill card has over 80 different tips to show you how to walk through the store and what things I look for when walking through a thrift store to buy and resell items on Amazon, eBay, and other platforms. The Amazon reseller checklist has over 6 major steps and a lot of sub-steps to look at in order to find out, is my item going to be perfect for selling and reselling on Amazon? The eBay card also has 6 major steps to walk through to make sure you're choosing the right item that will be perfect for reselling and making money on eBay. Each card is fully laminated so that it cannot be destroyed easily, and it's perfect for taking with you while you're going on your picking and finding treasure hunting for reselling. I hope this is helpful, and I hope these cards help you to focus your energy to pick the right items to resell online to grow your reseller business. If you love the content that I give, you can support me on Patreon. Just follow the link in the description below and I will offer you lots of exclusive things. You can be in the Hooked on Pickin' Coffee Club, have your Naven Lights, be in the Hooked on Pickin' Reseller Club, or the Reseller Pro Club. You get different perks for each club. So if you'd like to support me and my channel, please head on over to my Patreon account and start supporting. Thanks. Hey, thanks for watching. I hope you learned something. If you'd like to watch more of my videos, just click on them here. And if you'd like to learn more about the reseller world, subscribe to my channel and check out my other videos. Thanks.